90% of beginners fail this workout at move 2. Not because muscles are weak, but because nobody explains real technique. Today, for simple movements will separate you from quitting. Watch closely. One mistake ruins everything by round 3. I will reveal that trap, plus a fix professional trainers rarely share. Stay past the closing seconds, since drill 4 proves genuine strength. Ready? Let's begin. Here's the truth nobody puts in a fitness video. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. You don't even need 30 minutes. You need 4 moves, done the right way, in the right order. Get this wrong, and you'll feel sore for nothing. Get this right, and your body starts changing in 7 days. Let's break down exactly where beginners go wrong, move by move. Move 1 is the squat. Sounds easy. It's not. Here's what almost everyone does wrong. They let their knees cave inward, and their heels lift off the ground. That single mistake is why so many beginners feel it in their knees instead of their legs, and quit within a week. So here's the fix. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Push your hips back, like you're sitting into a chair behind you. Keep your weight on your heels the entire time. Your chest stays up. Your knees track over your toes, not past them, not caving in. Go down until your thighs are close to parallel with the floor, then drive back up through your heels. Do 12 reps, slow and controlled beats, fast and sloppy every single time. If your knees hurt during this, you're rushing. Slow down. Your body will thank you tomorrow. Move 2 is the push-up, and this is where most people quit entirely. Here's the problem. Beginners sag their hips toward the floor or pike their hips up in the air, turning a chest exercise into a lower back injury waiting to happen. The fix is simpler than you think. Get into a plank position, hands under your shoulders, body in one straight line from head to heels. Squeeze your glutes and your core, like you're bracing for a punch. Lower your chest toward the ground with control, elbows at a 45-degree angle from your body, not flared straight out. Push back up, keeping that straight line the entire way. Can't do a full push-up yet? Drop to your knees. Same form, same line, just less resistance. That's not cheating. That's smart progression. Aim for 8 to 10 reps. Move 3 is the plank. And this is the move that separates people who actually get stronger from people who just get tired. The biggest mistake? Letting your hips sag or lifting them up like a tent. Both of these take the work away from your core and dump it onto your lower back. Here's exactly how to fix it. Forearms on the ground, elbows under your shoulders. Body forms one straight line, just like the push-up. Squeeze everything. Glutes, abs, thighs. Imagine someone could drop a broomstick across your back and it would touch your head, your upper back, and your heels all at once. Breathe. Don't hold your breath. That's another rookie mistake that makes this feel way harder than it needs to be. Hold for 30 seconds. If your form breaks before that, stop, reset, and try again. A perfect 10-second plank beats a sloppy 60-second plank every time. And now move 4. The one I promised would prove real strength. This is the move that exposes weak balance and weak focus faster than anything else on this list. The mistake almost everyone makes? Taking a step that's too short, which slams your knee straight into the floor. Here's your fix. Take a big step forward, bigger than feels natural at first. Lower your back knee toward the ground, keeping your front knee stacked directly over your ankle, not pushed forward past your toes. Your torso stays tall and upright the whole time, like a string is pulling you up from the top of your head. Push through your front heel to stand back up. 10 reps each leg. And here's the part almost nobody tells you. If you're wobbling all over the place, that's not a strength problem. That's a balance problem. And balance is trained by doing this move slowly, not fast. So here's the real secret behind these 4 moves. It was never about the exercises. Squats, push-ups, planks, and lunges have existed for decades. It was about form. The 90% who quit aren't lazy. They're untrained on the one thing that actually matters. Fix your form on these 4 moves, and you will outperform people who've been going to the gym for months. Try this exact routine 3 times this week. Squat, push-up, plank, lunge. 12, 10, 30 seconds, 10 each leg. Comment the word "started" below when you finish your first round. I read every single one. And if this saved you from quitting on day 1 like 90% of people do, subscribe, because next week I'm breaking down the 5 stretches almost everyone does completely wrong. See you in the next one.